you searched how to buy shares of Nfon AG. Here is a quick educational walkthrough for Nfon AG Nfn.de, a German cloud telephony and unified communications provider listed on Xetra. This is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy Nfn.de, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search and type the ticker Nfn.de to locate Nfon AG. Double-check the exchange listing to ensure you have the correct Xetra share. On the asset page, review the company's summary, recent news, and the price chart to confirm it is Nfon AG. Make sure the page shows Xetra and the ticker Nfn.de. Click Trade or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your Nfon AG position will appear in your portfolio for tracking. Find the example eToro link in the description if you want to follow the same steps.